Welcome to Sandra's Bakehouse, and this is a separate video of a silky lemon curd recipe. So rich and lemony, it will elevate pretty much anything. We'll cover cooking, usage, and storage of lemon curd today. I primarily use it for cupcake filling, for cakes, cheesecakes, and tarts, or even just on a toast. Options are unlimited. Only a few simple ingredients and 5 minutes. Now take some sugar and zest one big lemon. Add egg yolks and lemon juice. I have another lemon curd recipe that calls for whole eggs and cornstarch if you prefer those. Link is down below. Cook curd on medium heat, stirring slowly but continuously. Simmer 1 more minute after it bubbles. Add cubes of butter, and I really insist on pushing through a sieve for smooth texture, and it definitely makes a difference here. Stir lemon curd in an airtight jar or small container for up to 10 days. Make sure your ingredients are really fresh, and it freezes well too. This lemon curd has saucy consistency when hot and thick and creamy when cold. Tell me how you prefer to enjoy lemon curd and subscribe for more useful and delicious desserts.